Welcome aboard, Tim from Cruising Together Couple. I want to show you something about our cabin here on MSC World Europa. And what I want to show you is these lights above the door. There are 3 lights above the door. A red light, which means that there's somebody in the cabin. Whenever your card is in here, which it needs to be to make your lights turn on, it will show that is red and that somebody's in the cabin. If you take it out, it'll stay red until that actually turns off the lights. That will flash for a little while, and then all the lights and everything will turn off in the cabin. And then this will turn green, basically telling them it's okay to come into the cabin. Nobody's in there. When that's in, somebody's in there. The other things are, we have this one. Now turns on this bright white light, and that one is to make up the room. And this one has 3 Z's on it because that's the symbol, international symbol of sleeping. And then it turns on a blue light above the door so they know not to disturb you. So there you go. That is what the 3 lights above the door on the MSC World Europa is for. And I'm not sure if they include that on other MSC ships or not, but it's kind of a neat thing. You don't have to hang a tag on your door to say do not disturb. You just flip that and say, I'm going to sleep now.